Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Spurred on by the biggest crowd ever assembled to watch a women's game at the National Stadium, Khadija Bunny Shaw pushed her international goal tally to 27 as the Reggae Girlz defeated Panama 3-1 on Sunday in their final home game before the World Cup. Karen Madden was there.
The Jamaica Football Federation and other stakeholders appealed for the fans to come out and support the girls. And though it wasn't the bumper crowd usually seen at the height of the 1997 Reggae Boys World Cup campaign, the numbers broke records for attendance at a women's game on local soil. And they were not disappointed as the Jamaicans immediately settled into a high-press game which put Panama under early pressure. Reggae Girlz star Khadija Bunny Shaw rewarded the yellow-clad supporters latching onto a loose ball to make it 1-0 for Jamaica in minutes 29. There could easily have been more goals had Jamaica capitalized on chances, but it was not until 4 minutes after the halftime break that Shaw would get a second goal from a brilliant cross from Sadi Alamalakan. Jamaica continued to boss the game and the technical staff rang in some changes, but a mix-up in the Jamaican defense gifted the Panamanians a goal in minute 64. But any thoughts of a repeat of the 2-all regulation and extra-time scoreline in the CONCACAF qualifiers last October were diminished when recalled veteran Shakira Duncan scored to make it 3-1. Following the display, head coach Hugh Menzies admitted that the job of selecting the final 23 was made harder.
It's been challenging, but, obviously we have a good picture now. Some players stepped up today to get into that 23. I think we solidify around 19, and but it's a good problem to have.
For Duncan, it was a dream come true.
I'd like to say thanks to everyone for coming out. I think it's the first time I've ever played in Jamaica with the national team, and I should tell you guys, it was an amazing feeling. Sitting on that bench, all I wanted to do was get a piece of the action. I just wanted to go there and do at least one little thing and hear, whoa, and to come on and actually score a goal, it was amazing, trust me.
And Shaw reacted to having a brace on the night and riding tackles in the game.
I'm a team player, so I might score 2 goals, but if my teammate didn't work hard behind me and work enough to give me that ball, I probably wouldn't get those 2 goals. So kudos to them. And in terms of injuries, it comes with fitness. The more fitter you are, the less you'll get injured. And I've been working in the off season trying to make myself as best as I can, and I mean it shows and it's working. So at the end of the day, I just have to continue doing what I'm doing and building.
The team left the island on Monday morning for another camp in Florida, where they will also play a U.S. aggregation. They will then play Scotland in Scotland before traveling to France. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.